Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making jerk chicken quarter and leg. This chicken so juicy in the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's jump right into the recipe. So rinse off your chicken in lemon juice and vinegar and let it drain. So I'm going to use all my spices to marinate my chicken. And I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a small amount of browning, jerk season. I'm using also Lawry seasoned salt. I'm using jerk sauce and I'm using the mild. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. So you want to rub the spices in. And you're going to let it marinate for at least 1 hour before I fry it. Or it's best to marinate your meat a day before. So after marinating for 1 hour, just spray some palm spray in the basket. And I preheat the air fryer first. So I put my chicken in the basket with the presentation side down, and I poke my chicken because I want the seasoning go straight to the bones. And also make sure you lift the skin up and let these spices go underneath this skin. So I'm going to fry my chicken for 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes first. And after the 15 minutes, I'm just going to brush some of the sauce over my delicious chickens. Guys, I just cannot wait for this chicken to finish. I love my jerk. So I flip them over and I'm going to add 10 more minutes. Wow, look at the color, my people. Look at the color of my chicken. Yes, so after 10 minutes, I'm just going to add more sauce and let it fry for about 2 to 5 minutes. You could have your jerk with your festival dumplings, fried dumpling, your rice, white rice or rice and peas, or whatever you like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. One love. Bye.